In this video, we are going to explore how to use the V lookup function in Excel. Select the cell where you would like the result to appear, type the equal sign to begin the formula, followed by V lookup, and open a parenthesis. The first argument is the value you want to search for, which can be a fixed number or text, or a reference to a cell that contains the value, then type a comma. The second argument is the range or table where Excel should perform the search, then type a comma. It's important to ensure that the first column of your selected range contains the values you want to match, as V lookup always searches vertically within the first column. The third argument is the column index number, which tells Excel which column from the range to return the corresponding value, then type a comma. For instance, if the data you need is in the third column of your selected range, you would enter 3 as the column index. The fourth argument determines whether you want an exact match or an approximate match. Typing false instructs Excel to look for an exact match, which is useful when dealing with IDs, names, or codes, while true allows Excel to return an approximate match, often used for ranges or numeric data. After entering all the arguments, close the parenthesis and press Enter to see the result instantly. One of the key advantages of V lookup is that it is dynamic. You can copy the formula to other cells, and it will automatically adjust for new rows or columns, making multiple lookups quick and easy. Additionally, if you change the value you are searching for, Excel will automatically update the result, saving time and reducing errors. V lookup is extremely versatile and can be used in many scenarios, such as matching employee IDs, retrieving product prices, finding student grades, or combining data from multiple sheets. Remember that V lookup cannot search to the left of the lookup column, so proper table setup and range selection are essential. Mastering V lookup allows you to handle large datasets efficiently, automate repetitive tasks, and ensure your reports, dashboards, and data analysis are accurate, precise, and always up to date. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Excel tutorials.